Hey, I'm Alex, and this is a Bitter Mai Tai made with SoFi. Would I make it again? Stick around to the end to find out. So for a Bitter Mai Tai, you're gonna need a rum. I've picked this dark aged rum. It comes from Margaret River, distilled by The Grove. And you also need a bitter element. The original recipe was asking for Campari, but I've decided to go with this Australian version, SoFi. They've got a couple of different styles. This one is the Blood Orange Bitters. I've gone with the Blood Orange Bitters because one of the other elements is basically a triple sec. We've got an Australian one here by Bates. You'll also need some Orgeat. This is my tiny little bit of leftover homemade Orgeat. And finally, lime. So let's give it a shot and build this. Let's go 3/4 of an ounce of this dark rum, 1/2 ounce of our bitter element, 1/2 ounce of our triple sec, 3/4 of an ounce with our homemade Orgeat, 3/4 of that. Finally, 1 ounce of lime juice. Then we shake that over ice, strain it, and then put some more ice in. So let's go. Strain that into a glass of crushed ice. All right, let's give it a taste. That's good. You definitely get the orange straight up in the face because we've got the bitter orange and we've also got the triple sec orange kicking in there. Taste the lime still in there, that's nice. I'm not getting any of the Orgeat at all. Yeah, I can't find the Orgeat in there. My homemade Orgeat was probably a bit weak for me to need to beef that up a little. Yeah, I think I probably would make this again. This is all right. I like it. It's very, very orange. It's got a lot of orange right at the start. And then it kind of, the bitterness at the end, again from the orange. So if you like sweet orange and then bitter orange, you probably like this. So that was a bit of fun. Chuck us a like and I'll see you in the next one. Catch ya!